If you want to use ChatGPT plugins and browsing beta to get more current, more helpful answers, this tutorial will walk you through the setup step by step. Browsing and web search can help ChatGPT pull in recent information, check live sources, and answer questions that need up-to-date details instead of just older training data. So if you've been wondering how to turn it on and how to use it properly, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets you know when I post the next guide. Alright, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. Once you're on the main page, look down to the bottom left corner and click on your profile. This is where you'll find your account and app settings. After that, click on Settings. This opens the full settings menu where you can customize how ChatGPT behaves and which features are turned on. Inside Settings, go to Personalization. This is the section where you'll find options related to how ChatGPT works for your account. Once you're in Personalization, click on Advanced. In this menu, look for the web search option and turn it on. This is the part that enables ChatGPT to search the web when needed, which is especially useful for recent news, product research, live facts, and anything that changes over time. Once web search is enabled, go back to your conversation screen. Now click the plus button in the chat area. This opens the tools and options you can use in your prompt. From there, click on More. In the list that appears, choose Web Search. That tells ChatGPT that you want it to use browsing for this conversation. Now you can type a prompt like latest news or any current topic you want to research. For example, you could ask for recent updates, compare current products, check today's trends, or summarize the latest information from the web. The key thing to remember is that browsing works best when you ask for something that benefits from current information. If you're using plugins or web-enabled features, it's a good idea to be specific. Instead of asking something vague, give ChatGPT a clear goal. For example, ask it to find the latest news on a topic, compare recent tools, or summarize current developments. The more specific your prompt is, the better the results usually are. Also, if the answer matters for work, school, or business, always review the sources or details that ChatGPT gives you. Browsing helps a lot, but it's still smart to double-check important facts before you use them. And that's it. You've now learned how to turn on ChatGPT web search and use browsing in a conversation. Once you know where the settings are, it only takes a few clicks, and it can make ChatGPT much more powerful for real-time research. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more ChatGPT tips and step-by-step AI guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.